Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do to deactivate your Facebook account is to head over to your profile or your logo at the top right corner of the page. We're going to head over and select this right here. And now you want to search for settings and privacy. You want to select this. And here head over to settings. So once this is open for you, head over to Account Center here. And then the next thing you want to do is head over to Personal Details. From here, you want to select Account Ownership and Control. And here you can see Deactivation or Deletion. Select this. And now you have to pick the profile that you want to deactivate or you want to delete. And here we have only one profile linked to this account. So I'll head over and select this right here. And now you can see the option here that says deactivate account. So if you're sure now you want to deactivate your account, you want to make sure this is selected right here. And then you want to head over and click on continue. Here you have the option of deactivating your Facebook account. And here if you have any linked pages to your account, here Facebook is going to tell you which pages are going to be deactivated also for you. So if this is okay for you, you want to head over and click on continue. And that's how you can easily deactivate your Facebook account and any other linked pages to your Facebook account. Alright guys, that's all for this quick and easy tutorial. If you found the video helpful, smash the like button, and if you enjoy tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.